Well, good morning guys. We are at the Westgate Villa Hotel thing. Yeah, basically we've come here to get cheap tickets for Universal. We've got to have breakfast, which is free, and a 90-minute tour crap. Probably a load of old shit, which it probably will be. And yeah, basically it saved us about $400. That is why we're doing it. Yeah, got to be done, innit? At the end of the day. Yeah, we're in here waiting to be called now, and then we go for breakfast and go on some 90-minute talk about crap. I ain't gonna buy nothing. No one's gonna buy anything. It's all a load of old shit. It is, though, isn't it? It is.
It's all about saving dollars.
Yeah, it's all about saving some dollars. We're going on the tour. So lovely this is. This is the main bedroom.
I mean, the cookie go around there.
Toilet in there.
Toilet.
Shower. Sinks. Oh mate, it's lovely. I'm considering buying a timeshare. This is like the whole. This is lovely, isn't it?
Cookies.
Yeah, no, you can't have that many. Give me a cookie. Oh.
Happy day.
It's lovely, isn't it?
So this is a 4-bedroom, which is 4 weeks. If you got a 1-bed,
Wow. Do not use. Afternoon, guys. My advice to you is if you have no intentions, and I mean no intentions of ever buying a timeshare, don't do that. Although we saved a lot of, well, quite a bit of money, it was, what? Hello, brother! You know what I mean? Yeah. Although we saved quite a bit of money, 4.5 hours. And it was meant to be an hour and a half. He got the hard sell man out and everything she did. Oh, lovely, but oh mate, what a night! What a nightmare. I'd have rather paid the extra money now, because I was told it was going to be an hour and a half. That's what it was, and I thought maximum of 2 hours.
Absolutely trying to keep you to buy it.
She was, weren't she?
Probably because she's probably sold
Probably not. But yeah, so now we're off to Blizzard Beach for half a day. So we're at Blizzard Beach now, and we're going to go on one of these up to the mountain, and me and Al are going to go down the slides. Are you excited, Al?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Are you panicking though?
Yes, that's what it's about with me.
Stacey's coming on as well. Where are you?
We're going to go.
No, not really. It was waving. Then people, did you wave at them? Oh, it's quite cool.
Now we're starting to climb.
Sure, shitting out.
I might just go for the other one. Depends what the weight is.
So I don't even like being on this, let alone going on one of them. Have you been on slides yet?
No, I'm trying to work out if I can do the one on the left, but the one on the right, absolutely no chance. So.
No, what, the big one?
Yeah, it's no, not
Really?
No.
I'm thinking, when I first come up, I'm doing that all day long.
Oh, do you know what? No, I don't know whether I'm doing
just
it.
being on this, I'm thinking,
oh, shit.
I might go to the left.
Yeah, it just looks a bit more manageable.
Yeah, because that one.
Shitting out, that is big, innit? I don't think I can do it.
steep.
Yeah, it's the thing of going like that,
Yeah, I
innit?
just don't think I'll be able to do it.
Oh no, I don't.
There's kids there doing it.
Well, it makes you feel so emasculated. Because a 4-year-old
You
is
got,
just
yeah,
flown
you got
down.
like a 7 or 8 year old boy there doing that. And you're looking at that and it's like 45 mile an hour.
I think I'm going to have to do it now.
Look at him come down here. Look at the speed.
Shitting out.
Look, 41 mile an hour on a kid.
I might have to do it now, Al.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
You know, so. I don't think it's sucking the heights. I don't like heights.
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm going the other one.
Yeah.
I'm going the other one. Seriously. See you down the other one. Oh. You going back, I'm going back and all. You're going the other one, mate.
Okay.
You see it?
Yeah, we gotta wait for him to get out of this.
I like this shit. Am I going to be alright?
You gotta push off a little. You're good, you'll be fine. Keep those ankles crossed. There you go.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
Quality. I couldn't do that one, mate.
Guys, full house, get it? Not yet, buddy, almost.
How you bedding for me?
I ain't going to go nowhere.
Oh.
Me?
Guys, getting that back tan? Good, get that tan on his foot. Look at them sitting on the snow. Everybody get on your bellies, Tuck in those elbows.
I ain't going to go nowhere.
Campfire for the people. For my friends. Alrighty guys, hold on tight. On your mark, get set, go!
As well getting a ride up the mountain, isn't we?
Dad.
Where's it? Oh yeah. Alone! Alone! Ah dear. It's good here. I like it. Do you like it? What? Brush your face off. We give that little boy the rest of your cookie, didn't we? Because he was crying.
But I did want it.
You did want it?
But I
We'll get you another cookie in a minute anyway. We can't. The trouble is, we're going on a ride now, so we couldn't have it anyway.
my ride, that one there.
We're going to go over there.
Oh, my ride.
Can't believe that I went on that. That is mental.
Why are we going on it again?
I'm not going on it again, no way.
No, why are we going this one
Because we've got to go up the mountain.
Make sure you hold it on. How come?
Go over that, and oh, that feels funny on my bum bum.
Oh. Shut up, yeah. Here we go, other side. Other side, Stacey.
Turn it!
Here we go.
You like it? Brilliant.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, that's cool, that is. I like that. Look at you.
My Irish one, my pepper.
Got myself a double trouble one now. Yeah, look, you're in it. You know, Stace? Love it. Love a lazy river.
Yeah.
All the way, Molly!
All the way to the end. Hit the bump. Hit the bump. Bump. Yeah. Very good.
Hey, why are you killing me? It's time for another
Go
round.
up! Go up! Go right up!
Go on the right arm.
Oh. Oh, go up, like, move.
That's
that?
Just look in the middle.
What's that? What's that?
Well, guys, hopefully you've seen some footage from Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, or Animal Kingdom tonight. I was gonna got down to the bus stop where we was going because it's easier to get a bus there, and I felt well ill. I don't know if it's because I've been in the sun all day or anything like that. Felt sick, literally nearly sick at the bus stop. So Stacey said, "Oh, you better go back." So I went. On the way back, I was sick about 6 times. I walked around the roadway, so it was in bushes and stuff. Oh, but yes, after I've been sick, I didn't feel too bad. So I come back, and I've just been laying on the bed, not been asleep. Just don't know. I don't feel great. I feel a lot better than I did, but I don't feel great. But I don't know if that's because I haven't eaten since earlier on today, so I don't know if that's because of that or not. So I'm just going to leave it till tomorrow morning, and yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end today's vlog here. It's been a good one. I've had a really good day. It's been fun. Well, apart from that, yeah. But I think it could be. Stacey said it might be sunstroke or something like that, but I don't know. I don't know if it's that or not. I don't think it's that. I don't know. I think it's just. I think it might have something to do with that, but I don't know what sunstroke is, to be honest with you. So, yeah, I'm off to bed anyway. Thank you very much for watching today's vlog. Hello to all the new subscribers, and hello to all the old subscribers. And yeah, we've got a couple of days left here, and then we are off. I'm afraid we are off. Back to you lot in the UK. Muscle, not. I do like this shirt now. Anyway.